Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine. I want to ask you, do you know what to plant in the garden where the shade is? In this video, I want to show perennials that I grow beautifully in the shade of the garden. These are places where there is little sun. Not every plant likes such growing conditions, but some perennials just love it. For example, these are geyhers. Heuchera like shade and partial shade. These are unpretentious plants. Each variety of geyhera has its own unique range of colors. Gardeners love geyhera because these perennials have beautiful leaves. These are not very large plants. Usually geykhera has a height of 30 to 50 centimeters. The height of an adult plant reaches 50 to 60 centimeters. No landscape designer can create flower arrangements without Heuchera. These herbaceous perennials in nature live only in North America and Mexico. Heucheras are universal. This is a decoration for a flower bed, for a border, for a mixed border. Each plant has an exotic look. For growing geyhera, you need to use light, airy soil. These plants do not like stagnant water, but they love moist soil. Geyhera can grow in one place up to 7 years. From time to time, it is necessary to separate part of the geyhera bush and transplant it into a new flower bed. Before frost, cover the plant, add soil for the roots, so that it will overwinter well. Look how pretty they are, my little gushers. I will be planting them in my garden now. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.